So, as at yesterday, Paws introduced two new tasks that requires us to join their Discord. And the reason they did it is that I think they want to now, since they are having a little bit of issues with Telegram and Telegram's policy, and then if you check, their X account was banned also. So possibly they want to now be giving us informations on their Discord channel. And that is why they introduced this task for us to join their Discord. If you can see in the task session, they said no reward. So you are simply joining for information's sake. Now, if you do not have a Discord account, what you can simply do is to go to your Play Store, download Discord. Let me show you how to do that. Discord is available both for Play Store and App Store. So if you're an iPhone user, you're also going to be getting Discord. Or you can use the website version, which is on Chrome or any browser of your choice. But I prefer to use the app. And as you can see, mine is telling me to update. I'll have shown you the registration process, but I have an account already. So unfortunately, I won't be doing that. Now, once you come on this place, all you simply have to do is to click on the start task, and it is going to redirect you automatically into your Discord. Since I have the app already, it is redirecting me into the app, and I now have to accept invite. As you can see, I am already a member. So if you're not a member, they're going to give you the invitation, but as you can see, I'm a member already. Now, as you're coming on the page, all you simply have to do is to click on the accept invite, and once that is done, you are good to go. Then I can now return back into my Telegram, and you can see the task is still saying start. So this should be an issue on their own part. So if you notice, if I click on start again, it is still going to take me into the Discord again to accept the invite, which I have done several times. So all you have to do is to just keep checking in again till the task gets marked, and basically you don't have to worry because they are not attaching any word to it. Maybe the only consideration they might put into this is that they might check it on your account whether you're subscribed to their channel, blah blah blah, all those stuff. Now, Paws as we know it has become one of the most controversial airdrops so far, because if you realize, they have done their snapshot already, but they are still bringing tasks. Now, if you ask me, why are they bringing this task? Why are they not listed yet? I'm going to say maybe this new Telegram's policy is part of what is delaying them. But the main thing here is that they are still trying to generate funds, because all of these tasks that they're giving us to do has nothing related to Paws. They'll tell you to join this channel, follow this, do that. It has nothing related to Paws. And definitely their advertisers are paying them for doing this advertisement. So if you ask me on my part, I think they are still trying to generate some income. And that is basically it. Now, there is currently an update, and I have made about $400 so far from this update in less than a month. And I believe you can do the same also by simply following the process. This project is called Sui Bison, and this is how withdrawal works on it. Look at my live withdrawal from this platform. Now, this is how to place withdrawal on Sui Bison. So for those that are complaining that withdrawal is not dropping, I am going to show you a live withdrawal in this video. First of all, this is my Sui Bison dashboard, and as you can see, I am waiting for it to complete loading, and then my balance will display. That's the balance that I can withdraw. Now, if you look at my screen here, I now have $115. That is approximately 31 Sui. Withdraw is very simple. All you simply have to do is to click on this withdraw button. Once you click on the withdraw, you now click on withdraw here, and then they'll ask you for your Sui wallet or your trust wallet. So you must either put your Sui wallet, which you can download on App Store or Play Store. Just type Sui wallet, you see the application for Sui, just like Tonkeeper. Then you can download, create your wallet, get your wallet address. Or for an easier step, you can copy your trust wallet address. So you go to your trust wallet, search for Sui, copy the address and paste. As for me, I'm going to be using my Sui address from my Wave wallet. Let me go into my Wave and show you how it is. All right, so this is my Wave. I'll go ahead and open it. You all know Wave project. We've been mining it since last year. So I have been depositing my Sui to this wallet, and let me even go ahead and do the claim for today. All right, I've done the claim. Now go back. You can see this is my SUI here on my wallet, and I have 92.18 SUI. I now want to add this one to it now. So I simply scroll down, click on this deposit, copy the address, then I'll go back into my Sui Bison. All right, this is my Sui Bison. So once I open it, I now go ahead and paste in the wallet address that I have copied from my Wave here. Then you click on withdraw. So I have clicked on it now. We now wait for this timer to count down. All right, as you can see, withdrawal successful. Now, once I've seen that withdrawal successful, I'll not wait for this timer to complete again. I'll simply click on my screen here to pull this down, and my balance here is now 0. But if you notice one thing, my balance here has increased to 40 SUI. That is because what is sent to my wallet is just 60% of what I withdraw. So if you notice, I have $115, but what they send to me will not be $115. It is less than, it is 60%. So about 10% will be converted and be deposited to this my stake balance. Another percentage is also going to be deposited to this my SUI here. This is SUI Bison token. So here my tokens is going to increase. Then the remaining one is going to this global pool, global matrix pool. The remaining one here is going here, and those that have shares in this place will be able to get SUI at the end of it. Look at 6 days left. So at the end of 6 days, those that have shares here will be able to get. Now let me show you where I withdraw to. So going back here now, I'll open up my Wave wallet. All right, so as you can see on my screen here, my balance has now increased from 332 or 342 to $400. And if I scroll up, you can see I now have 110 SUI. That is 92. So that is proof that this SUI business is paying massively. If you want to join now, check the description box of this video or the comment section. The registration link is there. All you simply have to do is register and deposit at least one SUI. But if you want to earn more or earn massively, you deposit more. The more you deposit, the more you earn. But minimum deposit is one SUI, and SUI is about $3.7 now. It's basically low, so you can purchase from any exchange of your choice, like BitGet or Bybit. You deposit and you start earning, and that is basically how to go about it. If you want to join, make sure you check the link in the description box of this video or check the pinned comment. You are going to get the link there.